Hi, I'm John Stone. I'm the school manager, Archbishop Holgate School in York. We're part of the Pathfinder Multi-Academy Trust. So there are 10 schools in the trust and we are the only secondary school. We've always had a great relationship with Portakabin. Not only they are a local company, they built our English block, that was in 2013. They've also done some additional work for us. And so therefore we were more than happy to realise that Portakabin had been awarded the contract. The last building was a roaring success, so we were full of hope for this one as well, although the design is very different. The project team was excellent. They were very, very helpful. The great thing about Portakabin is they will always talk to you. You'll talk through the problems. It's not confrontational, it's helpful and supportive. So we've always been very, very happy with Portakabin. We've worked together before and it was as successful as our previous endeavours. It has been a very, very good project, and my gratitude to Portakabin. Hi, I'm John Stone. I'm the school manager, Archbishop Holgate School in York. We're part of the Pathfinder Multi-Academy Trust. So there are 10 schools in the trust and we are the only secondary school. Well, obviously there was a challenge of the pandemic, but also it was one of the wettest years towards the end when work started that we've had for a long time. So they had to battle the elements. When they're doing the cladding to the outside, that's rather weather dependent, but they worked very hard to make sure that all of the cladding was done in time. Areas of work that could be completed, even with bad weather, were done and they would return to other tasks. And the whole thing came together on project date. Part of the project whereby you had to get contractors, subcontractors in the middle of a global pandemic to be on site and on time was particularly testing for Portakabin, but everything was done on time and to specification, so that's some achievement.